Hi guys. What shape is this? What shape is this? How are these two alike? What about this one? How is this shape like this one? How is it different? Different sizes, different colors, different lengths on the sides. What about this one and this one? How are these the same? How many sides does this one have? 4. How many sides does this one have? Also 4, right? So we can sort these two shapes by having 4 sides. All right, let's go find out how to sort some more shapes. Ready? So today we will sort shapes. We will sort shapes by looking at what they have in common. And this is important because we need to be able to identify the differences and the similarities in shapes. Let's review our vocabulary. Attributes, say attributes. Two-dimensional, say two-dimensional. Vertices, say vertices. Sides, say sides. Circle, say circle. Triangle, say triangle. How many sides does a triangle have? 3. How many vertices does a triangle have? 3. Square, say square. A square is called a special what? Special rectangle. Very good. Say rectangle. It has 4 sides. The opposite sides are the same length. Hexagon, say hexagon. How many straight sides does a hexagon have? 6. How many vertices? 6. And rhombus, say rhombus. How many straight sides does a rhombus have? 4. How many vertices? 4. And it's shaped like a what? What is that? A diamond. Very good. All right, so look at these shapes. They're almost all different. What do you notice about them? What do you notice about these shapes? Look at them very carefully. What do you notice about these shapes? Did you notice that they were all the same color? Yeah. Did you notice that they were all different sizes? Did you notice that some have straight sides and some have curves? All right, let's see what we're doing with those. Look at that shape right there. That's called a square. How many sides does this shape have? 4. How many vertices does this shape have? Also 4. So now I have this shape right here that I want to find other shapes that are similar. This is called my target shape. So we're going to look up here and find other shapes that look like my target shape because my target shape has 4 straight sides. So we're going to go find all the other shapes that have 4 straight sides. Okay, so does anybody else see a shape with 4 straight sides? Thumbs up if you see a shape with 4 straight sides. All right, did you see this shape right here? Does this have 4 sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, it does. So I'm going to drag it down here to my target shapes. All of these shapes are going to have 4 straight sides, like my target shape. What about this one? Does this one have 4 straight sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, it does. All right, how about this one? Does this have 4 straight sides? No, what do you mean no? It only has 3? Let me check. 1, 2, 3. You're right. All right, what about this one? Does this have 4 straight sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, it does. Okay, are there any more shapes? Do you see? Does this have 4 straight sides? No, this one doesn't even have sides. It's round. What about this one? Does it have 4 straight sides? Nope, only 3. What about this one? No, these are kind of curved. These are not straight sides, so that does not count. Do you see any more shapes with 4 straight sides? No, that's all of my target shapes right there. These can be sorted together because they all have 4 straight sides. What is another way that I could sort these shapes? What else do they all have in common? They are all the same color? Are they all the same size? Pretty much. How many vertices do they all have? How many pointy corners? They all have 4 vertices. So we can sort these shapes lots of different ways, right? All right, let's do one. This is one you're going to do by yourself. And this is your target shape right here. You're going to need to look for other shapes that look like this target shape, because this target shape has 3 straight sides. So you are going to circle all the other shapes that have 3 straight sides. Okay? When you're finished, you are going to save it and turn it into your teacher. So what did you learn today? We learned how we can sort shapes by what they have in common. We can look at their attributes. If they have 4 straight sides, 4 vertices, or 3 vertices, or 3 straight sides, or if they're round or curved, we can sort them by their common attributes. When you're finished, you get to go to watch a video on shapes. Then you have 10 minutes of extra math, 10 minutes of iStation, and a math app that your teacher allows you. And that is all for today.